name is Cody Pruitt. I'm the owner at Northpolerestorations. Today I'm here to talk to you about heated windshield wipers. A few years ago I was at a car show and I met a company called Thermalblade out of Pennsylvania, and it fascinated me of this idea, and I thought this would be perfect for Alaska in our winter conditions. As you see here, this is a standard windshield wiper blade. The only thing different is it has a heating element squeegee installed. It's very easy to change to a summer squeegee, which is this bluish one I have here in my hand. All you simply do is pull the winter one out, undo the tab, pull it out, and then slide the other one back in. Over here you'll see I've installed these on numerous vehicles. This is my personal truck, and the first set of windshield wipers I installed. This is a 2017 Ram 2500. I've had this exact set of wipers on my truck for 3 years, summer and winter, with the same blade, and outstanding performance. Never had any issues, no ice clumping up. I got tired of having to stop, pull over, knock the ice or snow off just to be able to see. We have adapter kits for any windshield wiper frame. I've installed them on skid steers, loaders, numerous cars, Chevy, Ford, Dodge, all makes and models. If you look over here, this is my wife's 2017 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how I installed it and the ways about it. This is the ECM. This is pretty much the brain of the whole windshield wiper device. It comes in a nice package. It's it right here. It has 3 lights, status lights. This one will be green when it's receiving power in each windshield wiper. While it's running and getting voltage, it'll turn green, and if there's ever any issues with the squeegee or one of the elements breaks, a red flashing light will show you that something is wrong with it. As you see here, this is the green light. As you notice, it is getting power. It automatically gets power when the vehicle is turned on and it senses voltage from the alternator. It will automatically turn off when it loses that voltage from the alternator and reduces to 12.5 volts, so you never have to switch the toggle switch on or anything. It automatically comes on, automatically shut off. As you see here, the wiring harness for it simply plugs into the ECU. There's a thermostat control wire. It turns on at 38 degrees, plus or minus a degree. I like to run this inside the fender well, up inside into the grill. Like I said, this just plugs into the ECU, and then these 2 connectors plug into the windshield wiper element up top. I usually start mounting at the windshield wiper and work my way back to an appropriate location. On a couple loaders and skid steers I've done this on, you will have to lengthen the power wire. There's a built-in fuse already installed in here, but just lengthen the wire, run it to the battery. The ground wire on here is the black wire. You can mount it to any frame bolt or directly back to the wire. If you come around here, you'll see how I usually run it up underneath the frame spring and attach 2 to 4 zip ties. It depends on the length of the arm, and these are the adapters that sometimes you will have to change depending on the vehicle or piece of equipment. Okay, as another vehicle, you can see this is my 1980 Dodge plow truck. I leave it outside usually, and as you can see, I just brush the snow off lightly. It's been sitting here for a couple weeks. We're supposed to be getting a snowstorm this weekend. It's been running for roughly 15 minutes now. As you can see, it's starting to melt off. They're not frozen whatsoever. Instantly melts it away, and no ice is frozen to it. Now, the only thing is you have to remember every time you're done driving the vehicle to make sure you shut off your windshield wiper. Otherwise, they will still freeze. And in 3 years of doing this, I've only had one warranty that they left it on, they started the car, and it ripped the squeegee off. We have a 6-month warranty. If anything happens, bad element, they get damaged, just contact me and we'll try and get you a replacement as soon as possible. If you're watching the video, and please let me know if there's any way I can help you. Thank you.